Assalamu Aleikum, my lovely friends and family. Welcome back to Iwat's Earthy Eating Kitchen. Today, Bihidinillahi Tahaallah, I'm going to be sharing with you how this lovely earthy dinner was made. So let's start the process. Bismillah. These are the ingredients that will be used. 1 kg of carrot, 1 pack of broccoli is about 350 grams, and 1 cauliflower. Also, 1 kg of lamb leg was used, and the list to all the season and spice used will be added to the description section below. This is homemade suya pepper. I'm working towards sharing the recipe on this channel, so if you're interested, do subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I drop the video. Once the spice and the season has been mixed with the lamb, it was covered and left to marinate for like 2 hours. What I need to do is to prepare the sweet potato. So it's going to be washed. And mixed. So let's go and give the sweet potato a wash. While the washing is going on, let's share some of the health benefits of sweet potato. Do you know that sweet potato are sweet, starchy root vegetables that are grown worldwide, and they are very easy to add to a diet? They are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, rich in antioxidants that protect our body from free radical damage, which may damage our DNA and trigger inflammation. Also, if care is not taken, once the free radical is damaged, you are prone to develop chronic illness like cancer, heart disease. It can also make you age quickly, and nobody wants to age. Trust me, everybody wants to look younger compared to their age. Therefore, adding food that are rich in antioxidants to your diet is the way forward. Also, the fiber content added to the antioxidants in sweet potato can promote an healthy gut because it contains 2 types of fiber, which is soluble and insoluble. An interesting fact is that our body cannot digest these 2 fibers, so they end up staying within our digestive tract and provide a variety of protection to our gut. This fiber can also be fermented by the bacteria in our colon, which as a result creates a compound called short-chain fatty acids, and is one of the compounds that fuel the cell of our intestine lining and keep them healthy and strong. Therefore, eating food that are rich in fiber like sweet potato will lower your risk of developing a condition like irritable bowel syndrome, which is also called IBS. By eating food like this, you can also reduce your risk of developing colon cancer because of the fact that you may have developed a regular bowel movement habit, which will enable you to empty your bowel completely. I will encourage you to do your research because this lovely vegetable has a lot of health benefits that I'm unable to talk about in this video. Alhamdulillah, ala kulli ni'mat. We finished the process of cleaning and cutting the sweet potato, and it has been put in the oven while we move on to the carrot, which is another good vegetable that is packed with a lot of vitamins and minerals. Like the saying, carrot is good for your eyes, but don't eat too much of it. Remember, variety is the key, and that is why we move on to cutting the broccoli, which can be called a nutritional powerhouse because of the fact that it is full of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that are similar to what you can find in sweet potato, carrot, and cauliflower. And that is one of the reasons why you often see cauliflower and broccoli being combined together in a diet. This needs to be rinsed. Do you know that cauliflower is good for weight loss because it is low in calorie but high in vitamins? For this reason, you cannot underestimate the health benefits of this vegetable. Alhamdulillah, ala kulli ni'mat. We finished all the cutting and slicing, and it's time to put everything together. And 1 teaspoon of mixed herb was added, then set aside before putting on the cooker to be steamed. The meat was pre-boiled for like 20 minutes. Before grilling it on a griddle, I don't know whether it's called greedy, gudu, griddly, whatever. All I know is that the meat was grilled, and you can grill it in the oven as well, or you use your air fryer if you have one. This was used because we want the smoky effect and taste. Alhamdulillah, the potato is already, the vegetable is steamed and is ready to be served. And the lamb is also ready. This is the end result of the roast potato. Bismillah. Mashallah. It tastes nice. 1 tablespoon of vegetable gravy, 100 ml of boiled water was used to make this gravy. Time to serve and present our dinner. That's the roast lamb, alhamdulillah, followed by the vegetables. Then our sweet potato was also arranged. Can you see that? It is looking tantalizing
and scrumptious and delicious and scrumptious.
Then finish it by adding gravy.
What's greedy? That food look good.
Alhamdulillah, that is all we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, kindly give us a thumb up. We conclude by saying big jazakumullah khairan for all your support. And with this, we leave you in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Please stay blessed and safe with lot of love. Iwat.